Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, so Nilebe. Okay, good afternoon, everyone. I'm at Saturday Market. I'm at Saturday Market. Okay, I'm at Saturday Market. So Sunday Zimo, Sunday Zimo. I don't know. The Mat Low Babylon Toilet 80 at the I am. Lily Biomas, I am at Saturday Market. Sunday Zemo, I don't Okay, I don't say, I'm at, I don't know about Shima at, Nama Masonido, I am, I don't know, Masonido, Matt and Pedro, native speaker, we got Alumio, I'm at Saturday Market. I don't say, Bava Cafe Masuro, I'm at Bava Cafe, Alumio, I don't say, South time I'm at a restaurant. Okay, Alumio. Okay, Dame di Nega era Pia Channel Mawabu, Pia Chinaga, the bigger baga, bigger and the verb to be. Verb to be, ma, shitty pity, and ma, the past tense, a Janigalo, Pia Mava, the past tense, is don't put a Pidwa Vishi video ma alumio. No, I don't say, verb to be at past tense, Pia Mama, verb to be at past tense, do you got body less without what's wherever, what's wherever, the what's net wherever, what's got up, the negain bono, what's got up negain. And again, so the subject, and again, never do Yavale, I don't know, Chinava. Okay, I don't say subject again, body, dwell Yale, so I, she, he, it, alumino, child, and again, she did a Kugado, the liquid matter, I, she, he, it, alumino, and again, subject again. Okay, I don't say, Jana, the Nga, Manega, I my she get ever. Alumio, I was at home yesterday. Okay, I don't say, now the Piojiang. Tumaga, a yam piogere. Okay, Manega do. Maninaga do my yam piogere, and I'll Piojiang. She was very happy last night. Okay, Manina last night. Okay, she was very happy last night. Okay, Manina do my yam piogere. Okay, now the Kuga a thune Piogia, he, he, no? Okay, he. Okay, Duga, the Ngaye, a cause the Najan Pickade, Alumio, he was my best friend. Best, cause friend, he was my best friend. The Lily Biomas my best friend. Okay, now to go it the negative, that's right, it's not okay, it was a beautiful day. It was a beautiful day. Okay. Yan about it, need pick it it was a beautiful day. It was a beautiful day. Yan about it, need pick it